Everybody wants to be a millionaire. Fancy private jet trips to the Maldives, exotic supercars, and five-star dinners. Who wouldn't want these things, let's be honest? Especially when that's what you're bombarded with every single day on social media. My name's Fred, and I've made thousands of dollars a day in profit selling high-ticket consulting. As a matter of fact, I had my first $1,000 day at 21 and my first $2,600 day at 22. By the way, this is cash collected, not revenue. So in this video, I want to break down the exact 6 millionaire habits that got me there, because most people out here are working their asses off and they're still broke. They're grinding 40, 50, 60 hours a week and they've got nothing to show for it. So if you want to know what actually separates people who make good money, a ton of money, from people who keep worrying about bills constantly, this is for you. The first habit I'd like to share with you is learning to not give a fuck what other people think, especially people who don't have the things that you want in life. Like, think about this for a second. If I want to get big and strong, why the hell would I give a damn about somebody's opinion if they're not strong and big? It makes no sense, right? In the same exact manner, if my goal is to make tens of millions of dollars a year, why would I care what average brokies think? Why would I listen to the idiots that pretend money doesn't make you happy? Like, these people are literally coping with their own failures and trying to drag you down with them. I'll just go my own path, and honestly, you should too. Unless you've got very supportive friends and family, maybe it's best you don't tell them you're starting a business. Why? Because you're already going to be dealing with internal doubt. You're already gonna have that voice in your head telling you that you can't do it. You don't need all their doubt and their limiting beliefs to infect you as well. Trust me on this one. Everybody loves to say something's impossible until someone actually goes out and does it. Then suddenly, people are all like, oh wow, I always knew you could do it. Like, no you didn't, come on. You were literally telling me it was impossible last month. So stop listening to people who haven't done the things you're trying to do. Stop letting their insecurities become your reality. The only opinions that matter are from people who've got what you want or who are genuinely supporting your vision. These people love you for real. Everyone else can honestly kick rocks. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. One of the things that helped me get to $2,600 in a day in profit is never being satisfied with my current situation. I never accepted being average. I never accepted less than being a multi-millionaire as my identity, so I'm always gonna do whatever it takes to reach my goals no matter what. Anything less than making millions is like eating rotten chicken for me. I literally won't do it. I refuse to settle for mediocrity. But if you're angry at your current situation, I get it, I really do. But here's the thing, be thankful that you're mad. Average everyday people don't have this anger or this drive that you do. That is literally what separates you from them. They're comfortable being comfortable. They're okay with their 9 to 5. They're cool with their little paycheck that barely covers their bills. But you're different. You want more and you're actually willing to do something about it. Now you need to use your potential to crush your goals, not just to get to them, but also to exceed them. Like, don't just aim to make $100,000 a year. That's like the new minimum wage, really. If you want a comfortable life, aim to make 500,000. Aim to make $1 million. Because if you aim high and you fall short, you're still gonna end up way higher than if you aim low. Being dissatisfied with mediocrity is literally your superpower. Most people try to suppress that need. They try to convince themselves that they should be grateful for an average fucking life. But not you. You need to channel that dissatisfaction into pure fuel and let it drive you every single day so you can do the hard work you need to become wealthy. The next thing I wish I had done sooner is to get a mentor and pay them to learn from them. It doesn't have to be me. I've got loads of money already, but if you want to learn from someone who's done it before, and that someone is me, links in the description below this video if you want to see how we could help you reach your goals. But my point is, you want to pick someone who's got the kind of results you want and then do exactly what they say. You can read 1,000 books or watch hundreds of YouTube videos, but at the end of the day, the best way to learn and replicate results is to receive feedback from someone who's actually done this before. Unfortunately, a book or a video cannot give you personalized feedback that you need. They can't look at what you're doing and tell you how to fix it, what you're doing wrong. When I got my first mentor, everything changed because suddenly I wasn't guessing my way to success anymore. I had a proven path to follow. I wasn't just trying random shit throwing spaghetti at the wall, hoping something would stick. I had someone who'd already made millions telling me exactly what to do step by step. And yeah, I'll be honest, it costs money up front, but I can tell you every investment I've made literally paid itself back like 100 times over. Too many people are out here trying to figure out everything on their own because they're too cheap or too prideful to invest in working with a mentor. And then they wonder why they're stuck in the same place year after year. If you want to compress decades into days, get a mentor. Simple as that. Habit number 4 is understanding that less is more. This is actually going to come as a shocker, but sometimes you're just doing way too much and you actually need to do less. I'll take the example of my YouTube. We were posting 2 videos a day and they weren't popping off, so that was weird. So we slowed it down to once a day, and some of them started to take off again. There are seasons where posting 2 times a day was great for us, and sometimes it wasn't. Life and business works the exact same way. Sometimes you need to go all in and do a lot, as much as you possibly can. But sometimes you also need to relax and do less to actually achieve what you want. This is about working smarter, not just harder. A lot of people are out here running around like chickens with their heads cut off, doing a million different things, and none of them are actually moving the needle. You might be busy, but you're not really productive. There's a massive difference. I'd much rather spend 2 hours on one thing that's actually gonna make me money than spend 10 hours on 5 different things that don't actually matter. Focus is everything. When you spread yourself too thin, nothing gets done at the level it needs to be done. So sometimes the answer isn't to do more, it's to do less, but to do it way better. The next habit that allowed me to make a lot more money is tracking everything. If you don't track what you're doing, how the hell do you know where you're going? You don't. Like, you literally don't. You're just guessing and hoping for the best. Well, that, my friend, is not a way to grow a business or get rich. You can't rely on hope or luck. You need to track your cost per acquisition, your cost per call, your cost per show up, your cost per lead, all of that. And you can go even one step further. If you're a newbie with no discipline, track what time you woke up and went to bed. If you exercised, if you did your good habits, everything. What gets measured gets managed and improved. If you're not tracking your numbers, you have no idea what's working and what's not. You're just throwing money and time at things randomly. When I started tracking everything obsessively, especially in my business, I could see exactly where I was wasting money and where I needed to double down. I could see which marketing channels were profitable and which ones were garbage. I could see which sales strategies were converting and which ones weren't, which ads were working, which ones weren't. When you track everything, you gain awareness, and this is what separates amateurs from professionals. Amateurs operate on feelings and guesses. Professionals operate on data and facts. So start tracking everything today. Get a spreadsheet, get a notebook, get whatever you need, but start measuring your life and your business because you can't improve what you don't measure. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. The real game changer for me was spending money with the attitude that more will come back to me. I know that this is very hard to do. It used to be really hard for me to do this, and even sometimes to this day, I still feel that scarcity mindset when spending money because I grew up in the low middle class and we had to be careful about every little expense we had. But here's the issue. If you don't do what it takes to break this conditioning, you won't invest in yourself, you won't take risks, and guess what? You'll stay average and you'll stay poor. Rich people understand that money is a tool. It's meant to be used and invested to create more money, to create more value for the world. Poor people hoard it out of fear. And again, I get it. They're so scared of losing what little they have that they never take the risks necessary to multiply it. When I started spending money on my business, on mentors, on ads, on tools, with the belief that it would come back to me multiplied, everything shifted because that belief changes how you operate. You're no longer operating from a place of lack. You're operating from a place of abundance. And the universe, or whatever you want to call it, responds to that energy. Now look, I'm not saying be stupid with your money. I'm not saying go blow it all on the random stuff. I'm saying invest it strategically with the confidence that you're going to get a return. Whether that's investing in yourself, in your education, in your business, in your marketing, spend money to make more money. That's how the game works. That's exactly what rich people do. They're not working more, they're just spending more money to make more money. So if you're too scared to spend, you'll never make real money. Period. At first, you might have to spend more time instead of money because you don't really have much money. But if you truly want to get to multi-millionaire status, you need to start making your money work for you. Those are the 6 millionaire habits that made me $2,600 in a day at 22 years old. Not giving a fuck what other people think, never being satisfied with being average or just doing like everyone else, getting a mentor, paying them, and actually doing what they tell you, understanding that sometimes you need to do less to get better results, and knowing to recognize when you need to do less and also when you need to do more. Tracking absolutely everything. If you don't track anything, you don't know where you're going. It's that simple. And spending money with an abundance mindset, knowing more will come back to you. The rich spend money to make more money. Remember that. If you implement even half of these habits into your life, I can guarantee you're going to see results, you're going to make more money. But most people won't. Most people who watch this video will nod their head and then go right back to doing the same stuff they've always done. You don't want to be that person. Actually take action on this if you want your financial situation and your life in general to change. Remember, nothing changes if nothing changes. If you'd like to learn from me how I've made thousands of dollars a day profitably selling high-ticket services and consulting, check out the link in the description below. You can start this even with no previous experience and limited time and money. You can also book a call with me or a member of my team, and we'll help you implement everything step by step so you get your first customers as quickly as possible. Now be quick, we've got very limited spots. Link is in the description, and I will see you on the other side.